Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to auto-assign roles in Discord, and if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is actually come across to discord.com and log into our account. So what I'm going to do is actually create a brand new role that people will get when they join my server. So what we're going to do is just come across to our server and then click onto the button at the top here and then come down to server settings. So from here, if you look at the menu on the left hand side, you'll see the option there which says roles. So if we go ahead and give that a click, and you'll see what's going to happen is it's got, this is all to do with roles and permissions, but you'll see you can actually create a role. There's a blue button here. So I'm going to give that a click and just set up a new role. So I'm going to call this one Peeps. And you can change the color as well. So what will happen is the member would have a color, their username would come up in a different color, which suggests which kind of role they have. And once we're happy, all we want to do is go ahead and click the Save Changes button down here. So that's now sorted and ready. We've got the role set up. Obviously, you can change the permissions for that particular role. To add a role manually, all you need to do is right click on the person. And if you scroll down, you'll see it says roles there, and you can just go ahead and tick the box. And you'll see their name has gone green, which is the color we suggested, and that's got the appropriate role. Same again, you can just take off at any point, like so. But to set this up to auto assign that role for any people that join your server, what you want to do is download a bot, and the bot we're going to be using is called YAGPDB. So it's YAGPDB.xyz. And it should come up looking like this. And what you want to do is just click at the top where it says Add to Server. And then just go ahead and authorize the bot. And that's going to take you across to the control panel. So from the control panel, what you need to do at the top is just go ahead and click where it says Select Server. And then you just want to choose the appropriate server. So I'm going to choose this one. And then add server. Yep, so you just want to click continue. And just scroll down and click the authorize button. And then just do the human verification if it asks for it. Okay, so my Discord's just beat, which means that should have been added. And yet you can see the bot's now been added. YAGPDB, he's up here on the right hand side. So what we're going to do now is actually come back to the control panel. So we just want to come back to YAGPDB.xyz. And then you'll see in the top right hand corner it says control panel. It might ask you to log in if you're not. And then again you just select your server from the drop down menu. So this is what we're going to do then. So what we need to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and we want to click onto this one which says Tools and Utilities. And then what we want to do is come down and click onto Auto Role. And what's going to happen is we're going to click the first drop down box here. As you can see at the moment, it's going to say Peeps. That's the role I set up. It says role is above bot, so that's not going to actually let me select it. So what we need to do is actually come back to our Discord and click onto the server settings. And then what we want to do is come down to roles. So what we want to do is, if you look to the left, you've got these kind of dots that come up, and you just want to hold down your left mouse button and drag it so it's above the Peeps, and then click for Save Changes. And if we now refresh the control panel and I click that drop down box, you'll see I'll now be able to go ahead and select the Peeps one. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down, and there's one more thing you want to do, which is just toggle this switch on, which says only assign the role when they join, do not give it back if it's removed from them afterwards. And then literally just go ahead and hit the save button. So you can see that says successfully saved, which means we're all good to go. And that's all set up ready. So now when anybody joins that server, they will automatically be given that peeps role. And if you want to manually remove the role, again, you just right click on their name, come down to roles, and you would untick the box if it's ticked down here. But yeah, that's how you do it. So I hope you found that helpful. And if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.